Hey guys, welcome back to my series. Today we are solving a fun Math Kangaroo challenge from 2014 for grade 3 and 4. Let's crack the first 5 questions together and level up our math skills. Ready? Let's go. Problem 1. Which drawing is the central part of the picture with the star? So we have been given a star and these are our options which needs to match the central portion of the star. So what should be our strategy? Count the number of leaves in the star and see which one match. So let's count the original picture. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 leaves in here. Now let's go on option A. How many leaves we see? 6. That's not our option. Option B, we have 3 and 3, 6 and 7. That's not our answer. Option C, we have 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. It's not our answer. Option D, 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9. That could be our answer. Option E, we have 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 and 10. That could not be our answer. So the correct option is option D. Awesome job. We cracked our first problem. Now let's keep up the momentum and dive into problem 2. Get ready for another fun challenge? Let's break it down step by step. Problem 2. Jackie wants to insert the number 3 somewhere between the digits of the number 2014 to make a 5-digit number that is as small as possible. Very important word. Where should Jackie insert the number 3? These are our options. To make the 5-digit number, Jackie should insert number 3 in the position that creates the smallest possible value. We will use our method of elimination. We pick options, insert 3 in the number where indicated, and then in end, compare and eliminated not correct. Let's go on. So these are our options. Option first, A, in front of 2014. That is here. Between the 2 and 0. Between 0 and 1. Between 1 and 4. At the end of 2014. Now let us compare. Option A, too large. Cancel. Between 2 and 0, option B, that is larger than C. So eliminate. Now compare C to D. That is bigger. Now compare D and E. We see option E is bigger than this number. So our answer is option D. Perfect. Every problem you solve makes you smarter and sharper. Keep going and never stop challenging yourself. Now we are on to problem 3. Problem 3. When Coco the koala is not sleeping, he eats 50 grams of leaves per hour. If Coco slept 20 hours yesterday, how many grams of leaves did he eat? These are our options. Let us solve this fun math problem together. We will follow a step-by-step procedure. First, we need to figure out how many hours Coco was awake. We know a day has 24 hours. And Coco slept for 20 hours. That means how many hours was he awake? 4 hours he was awake. Next step. Let's calculate how many grams of leaves Coco ate. He ate 50 grams of leaves per hour. Since he was awake for 4 hours, we multiply. We say 4 multiplied by 50 gives us 200 grams. So Coco ate 200 grams of leaves yesterday. That is option D. Great job solving this problem. Keep practicing and soon you will be a math whiz. Keep up the awesome work. Now we are almost halfway and on problem 4. Problem 4. Adam built fewer sandcastles than Martin, but more than Suzanne. Lucy built more sandcastles than Adam and more than Martin. Dana built more sandcastles than Martin, but fewer than Lucy. Who built the most sandcastles? These are our options. Let's organize the information step by step to figure out who built the most sandcastles. Adam built fewer sandcastles than Martin, but more than Susan. So we can organize that Martin built the most sandcastles according to our first clue. Second clue. Lucy built more sandcastles than Adam and more than Martin. Means Lucy built most. And then Martin built more than Adam and Adam built more than Susan. Third clue. Dana built more sandcastles than Martin but fewer than Lucy. That means we can organize it in this way. Lucy built more than Dana, and that means more than Martin, more than Adam, and more than Susan. So while organizing, we came to conclusion that Lucy built the most sandcastles. Our option is E. Great job. You are mastering these challenges step by step. Keep up the great work and let's keep the momentum going. Now move to the next exciting problem. Problem 5. Monica writes numbers in the diagram so that each number is the product of the two numbers below it. Which number should she write in the gray cell? Monica writes numbers in the diagram such that each number is the product of the two numbers directly below it. This means that for any number in the diagram, if it is located above two numbers, it is the result of multiplying those two numbers together. So let's find it out. What could be the result of multiplying these two numbers becomes 2. We say 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2. 2 multiplied together, 2 2s are 4. So we get in here 4. We multiply 4 multiplied by 2 gives us a result 8. 4 multiplied by 2 gives us a result 8. And that is our answer. And we can verify if we are correct. We multiply 8 by 8 gives us 64. So our option is E. Perfect. You tackle all the problems like a true math magician. This wraps up our challenge for today, but don't go anywhere. There is more fun and exciting math coming your way. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new challenge. See you in your next problem solving adventure for problem 6 to 10. Thank you.